channel, Vedavigyan channel. Let us go to the today topic is that is indefinite integrals. In that one, the indefinite integrals we have to learn today. Objective is 9 standard forms. Right here, let us go to there is a continuation part 3. Next year, our channel is presents here 9 standard forms. First formulas here. That is the first 9 standard forms. That is let us see here. The first one, there is a formula is integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log a plus modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Otherwise, minus 1 by a tan h inverse of x by a plus c. Similarly here, next formula here, integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log modulus x minus a by x plus a plus c. Otherwise, we have to use the negative of 1 by a cot h inverse x by a plus c. Next, see another formula, that is the third standard form. 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c is equal to minus 1 by a cot inverse x by a plus c. Let us see the another, that is the form here. Integral 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin h inverse x by a plus c. Next, let us see the another formula. 1 by square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to cos h inverse x by a. Let us next following formula. Let us see here. This is a sin h inverse x by a plus c. Right. Next, another formulas here. That is the square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c. Next, look at the another formula, square root of a square plus x square. Whenever formula will be there, x by 2 square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a. Look at the another ninth formula, that is the last standard form. Square root of a square minus a square dx is equal to x by a square root of a square minus x square minus a square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a. Right, let us see the formula. Let us see the problem here about the first standard form. What is standard form 1? Here first standard form here, look at here, 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by tan inverse of x by a plus c. Look at here, that is based on this standard form. We can work out some problem here. That is first evaluate integral 1 by x square plus 36 dx. First, that standard form is converted into the given expression is rewritten like that. 1 by x square plus 36 is converted into 6 square. That is, we have the direct standard form. Look at the upper one, whatever may be that indicated. And let us see here. That is this equation is compared to this equation. That is the final resultant solution. Next standard form, look at here. This is the standard form. That is a 4x square plus 9. It is not a standard form here. You have to convert to this standard form. First, a given expression you have to rewritten like that, x square plus, that is a 4 taken outside, it becomes the x square plus 9 by 4. After this equation is rewritten as the x square plus 3 by 4, that means 9 will be how to convert it like that, 3 square, and 4 can be, you can rewrite like that, 2 square. Completely this equation is to compare to integral a square plus x square dx. It is in place of a is equal to 3 by 2. That is same format. The result is follows. Next, look at the another problem here. That is a 1 by x square plus 3x plus c. Some here not a standard form. It is some complication equation, algebraic equation given in the denominator. The denominator is converted into standard form. First of all, given expression is, you have to written like that here. That is how to take the denominator. You have to possible to convert in a plus b whole square, this one. Right, first here I can write here x square 4x, that is I can rewritten like that, 2x into 2, that is a 4x, plus 13 can be split into the 2 square means that is a 4 plus 3 square means 9. right? 4 plus 3, that is a 13. That is a balanced equation. Completely you can finalize the equation. That is here x square plus 2x2 plus 2 square, that can be rewritten as the x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square. This is a, again we have to look at the standard form. Again let us assume that here x plus 2 can be, how to take in the t, and 3 is as it is a value, that how to, that is a compare to this equation, and next you can getting the, this is the resultant solution. And finally replace the t value, that is substitute, that is the final solution. This is the resultant solution. Look at the another problem, that is a evaluate 1 by x square plus 6x plus 25, the same as previous problem here. That given expression, this one you have to take the denominator x plus 6x plus 25. It's possible to convert into a plus b whole square, like that. Here x square, that is here 6x, right? You can, that is you have to take, that is 6x 2x into 3x plus 3 here, that here next one here, right? 3 square plus, there is a 4 square, right? Next follows here, this is possible convert out a plus b whole square. Next final equation is, that is x plus 3 whole square plus 4 square. This equation is, that is substitute into the above equation, that here the getting following, like where a value is a 4 and x plus 3 is you have to take as the 3. Next b equation becomes like that, 1 by x plus 3 whole square plus 4, that is x plus 3 is the t square. This is you have to compare to this equation, that is standard form, that is the final equation, like that here, that you have to replace the t value x plus 3, that is the equation follows. This is the resultant solution. Next go to the another standard form, that is here, that is the standard form is 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. This is, otherwise you have to use the, that is a right hand side formula here, minus 1 by tan h inverse x by a plus c. Let us see the problem here, that is here given 1 by integral, right, 25 minus x square dx, right? This equation is given expression is rewritten like that, that 25 can be rewrite here, that is a 5 square minus x square. Next this equation is compared to, that is above standard form, that is here a value is a 5. This is the resultant solution. Let us go to the another here standard form, that is a standard form is the 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c is equal to, that is a left side 1 minus 1 by a quad h inverse x by a. Let us see here the from formula here, 1 by 9x square minus 4, but is not a, is a comfortable form. It is how to change it to comfortable form. So to first take 9 taken as a common part here, right? That is given equation is, you have to take the 9 is outside, that is it becomes x square minus 4. You have to take, next you have to rewritten like that, x square minus 2 by 3 whole square dx. That is here above equation written like that. Here compared to this equation, next getting the result here, a is equal to 2 by 3, to 1 by 2 a value 2 by 3 log x minus a value 2 by 3 by x plus 2 by 3. This is the resultant solution. After simplification we are getting this equation, and this is the resultant solution. Let us see another problem here, second problem. Okay, this is the denominator is completely given as here some algebraic form. So how to simplify this equation, after how to use the standard form. Right here next one, integral 1 by x square plus 4 by 3 x plus 1 by 3, entire equation divide with 3 and getting this is the expression. And next how to take the denominator x plus 4 by 3 x plus 1 by 3, how to possible to convert into the a plus b whole square here, that is x square 2 into x means a, b value 2 by 3, that b means how to add 2 by 3 whole square, subtract the minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3. After the how to using the a plus b whole square and getting this is the x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square. Next here, when how to here a value choose here a 1 by 3 and x plus 2 by 3 is taken as a, that the t, Next, compare to the equation like here. First to rewritten like equation, and this becomes like that. Compare the standard form and getting this as a solution. Integral 1 by x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square dx is equal to 1 by a value 1 by 3 log modulus of x plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 x plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This is the final resultant solution. Go to the another standard form. That is the integral 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Let us see the first problem here. Integral 1 by square root of 1 minus 5x square dx. That given expression is right here. Square root of taken 5 outside here, 1 by 5 minus x square it becomes. And next we have to, that is apply the root, and next apply the square. Here square root cancel, remaining the same equation. Above equation follows. Here this equation is compared to this is a standard form, and next getting this is the result here. A value is a 1 by root 5 and x square is the same as it is. Here final result this is. Look at this another problem here. Integral 1 by square root of 5 plus 4x minus x square. Given expression is rewritten like that. Here taken minus outside here, 5 minus outside, remaining minus 4x plus x square. X square minus 4x, we have to possible to convert, that is a here 5 minus 4x plus x square. X square minus 4x possible to convert a minus b whole square here. Write down here. Next 5 minus x square minus 2x minus 2 4x, and 2 square add, and 2 minus 2 square subtraction. After getting this is solution. 5 minus x minus 2 whole square minus 2. Right, 5 will be there, that is a minus positive 4, that is a 5 plus 4 is a 9. Right here finally here 9 you can rewritten as 3 square minus x minus 2 whole square. Next same value substitute in denominator. After getting is it look like a standard form, and compared to the standard form, a place here a value is a 3 and x value is x minus 2, and is follows. This is the equation. 1 by square root of 3 square minus t square dx is equal sin inverse t by a. After finally replace the t value and substitute, that is getting this is the resultant solution. Look at the another standard form here. The standard form is the integral 1 by square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to cos h inverse x by a plus c. Right, next one here, evaluate here given problem 1 by square root of 13x square minus 5. In this one we have to take in common is the 13 outside, x square minus 5 by 13 it becomes, and next one 1 by root 13. Next finally solution follows here, square root of x square minus 5 by 13 root square root. This equation is compared to, that is a standard form here. Integral 1 by x square minus x a square dx is equal to cos h inverse x by a. Next here a value is root 5 by 13, and next here getting that is the above values compared to the standard form, that is getting the resultant solution. Next go to the another standard form here. Right here integral 1 by square root of a square plus x square dx is equal to sin h inverse x by a. Right here evaluate integral 1 by square root of x square plus 25 dx. Let given expression is here integral 1 by square root of x square plus 25, that is a 25 can be rewritten as 5 square. Its equation is compared to above standard form. Next getting this is a resultant solution. Right here go to the another standard form here. Integral square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 square root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Right, how to here evaluate integral square root here 16 minus x square dx. The given expression is converted into 16 may be converted into 4 square minus x square dx. Right, its equation is compared to the standard form, and next getting this is a resultant solution. Right, follows. Look at the another standard form here. Integral here square root of a square plus x square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c. Right, look at the problem here. Integral square root of 25 plus x square dx. That given expression is rewritten like 25 can be converted into 5 square. Right, this equation is compared to this standard form square root of a square plus x square dx x by 2. Right, here a value is equal to 5 and x value is the same remaining. That is here this is a required solution. Next, integral of square root of x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. This is some algebraic form is given. Right, here we have to take, that is here given expression is integral here. We have to take the x square plus 2x plus 5 and it is possible to convert a plus b whole square here. Right, next here the final solution x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Right, here integral square root of x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. This is compared to, this is the standard form, and a in a place is the 2 and x place is the x plus 1, and here follows like that t square plus 2 square dx is equal to t by 2 square root of t 2 square plus x square plus 2 square by 2 sin h inverse x by 2. This is the final resultant. After the here completion of solution, how to remove the t and in place of t how to substitute x plus 1. This is the resultant solution. Next, go to the another standard form here. X square minus x a square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus c. Evaluate integral square root of x square minus 25x dx. The given expression is rewritten as, the 25 can be rewritten as 25 square root of x square minus 5 square. This equation is compared to standard form. Right, here after this is a comparison, next getting this equation that a is 5 and x by 2 square root of x square minus 5 square by 2 cos h inverse x by 5 plus c. Right, this is the resultant solution. Next, integral forms. Here different type of integral forms in the terms of the sine, cos. Here functions will be given. How can you solve? Let us see here. First, whenever here the integral form dx by a plus b cos x, otherwise integral dx by a plus b sin x, or otherwise integral dx by a plus b cos x plus c sin x. When given these forms, first working rule, go to the working rule, put tan x by 2 is equal to t and differentiate with respect to x, and getting secant square x by 2 and x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt. Finally dx is equal to 2 dt by secant square x by 2. We have the formula here. We know that formula 1 plus tan square x by 2 is equal to secant square x by 2. Next, this value is substitute in, that is the denominator of the dx, and dx is equal to t 1 plus tan square x by 2, where tan x by 2 is a t. Finally dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Finally, similarly sin x value is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Let us see the problem here. Integral 1 by 5 plus 4 sin x. Right, here given expression is rewritten here. Integral 1 by 5 plus 4 sin x. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t, and see the working rule here. Differentiate with respect to, that is x here, getting here dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square from the previous, and sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. These two values are substituted in the above equation, getting here 1 by 2 dt by 1 plus t square integral. Right, 5 plus 4 2t by 1 plus t square. Take the LCM here. Above value below value 1 plus t square will be cancelled after getting this equation. You have to choose here denominator 5t plus 8t plus 5 taken outside, it becomes t square plus 8 by 5 t plus 1. and possible to convert into a plus b whole square, right? Here t square will be there, 2a value is the t and b value 4 by 5, and we have to add the 4 by 5 whole square and subtract the minus 4 by 5 whole square plus t.